Anatomy review of the day. Today, we will distinguish two different pouches or potential spaces in the body. First things first, what do we mean when we say potential space? A potential space is any space or crevice in the body, such as the following, which is normally not filled up by anything, by either solid or fluid. The surfaces are normally in contact with each other and they do not have any contents. But a potential space can expand and have, for example, fluid or solid in the case of a pathology. It is important to distinguish two different such potential spaces or pouches, the pouch of Morrison and the pouch of Douglas. The pouch of Morrison is a potential space between the liver and the right kidney. It is also called the right subhepatic space. The pouch of Douglas, on the other hand, is also called the rectouterine pouch, and as the name implies, it is the potential space between the uterus anteriorly and the rectum posteriorly. There are many other potential spaces in the body, such as the rectovesical space, which is the space between the bladder and the uterus, or between the bladder and the prostate in the case of males. Anatomy review of the day.